Welcome back to Theme Pico. Today I show you how to configure a variable product. You can see here lot of variable product here, also tab area another product as well. You can see that. Just click here and here, then also show the other variable value, also variable short description you can see here. Then you can able to add a cart. Already show the variable product in the cart area. Also I can add it here, increase the cart quantity, also delete the cart quantity. We can start the backend area. How to configure this product? First of all, I need to go plugin area, then upload a plugin. Just click here, then upload plugin, so as the file, then desktop. This folder I have a plugin, then open. After select, then install now. But my purpose, I'm already installed the plugin, so I do not need the install again this plugin. Go the product page. Here I'm create lot of variable product. You can see I'm just check single door wall cabinet. Just edit the product. This is the WooCommerce default product. How to configure this? It is very simple. You know that how to add the variable product. You can see here product title, description, then other information, variable attribute. You can see here, then variable height. How to add the attribute? You just click here attribute, then you can easily edit the new attribute. Here height also some attribute value added, also width area also some value added. So I'm back to my edit product area. You can see here all the variation I'm already create. If the new setup the variable product, you just click the generate variation or add the manually variation in the product. So I'm already created. Here you can see two custom value, depth and shell. Normally we added two variable product that already show the product area. You can see depth and shell. Back to variable product, other information all are same as the WooCommerce variable product. So how to configure this variation this type? First I need to create some variation product. You can see here I'm added 3 more product. I'm just going to here. This is the product. I'm configure this variable combination. You can see here. This is a very simple product. After the product load, you can find a option variable combine. So first of all I need to click here, then you can see here product tab area. So click here product tab, then you can see here already added 4 tab product that the visible the product page area. You can see just 4 tab added. After that tab title you write here, then I am added the 4 variable product. After that it is the visible wall corner easy. Same way you to added multiple time as you need it. Also you can easily remove this product here. Also at the tab you can see the another tab is coming. Just test tab. I'm just added the variation or variable product like double door. You can see. After that I'm just update the product. I'm just visit the product area. You can see here new tab is coming, test tab. Also one product is visible right now, not loaded. Just click the tab. You can see double door wallet cabinet added. You can see just now I'm added here test tab and double door one cabinet. Same way you can add it as your need multiple tab added. On the other hand, you can see here, here add the upsell product. You can easily edit this. First of all, I say how to work. Just click the image. It is automatic load and loaded and show the description and short description here and button add to cart. So also you can see the question mark area. If you click this area, also same work happen. How to add this upsell product? It is very easy. As WooCommerce default, you can see the link product, add the upsell product. If you need multiple, you can add like that. I'm just added PAINT paint. Then easily added upsell product here. After that, save button. Now I'm back to font in area. I'm just reload again the page. This is the product description accordion area. Also here this category link visible. You can redirect here. After that, this combination you can see as grid view. You can just click. You can see. After that, I need to edit a product to cart. Just select some attribute. You can see the configure or one, then add it to cart. You can see here it is as a cart already added. If you different combination, you can see here add to cart again. Those are different attribute and added the different way. After that, you can see user more information which product added to cart. After that, you can see mini cart area, all product loaded. This area to cart, checkout, order page and admin area same way working as WooCommerce default. Also all our custom value added your admin area, email template as well. The main benefit here, this is a variation product, but single area you can add multiple variation product each page. This is the main benefit. The user, your sale will be increased because user know that single page area lot of combination. Users see multiple variable product need to combine each product. You can easily add this area. Also upsell product, just add to click. It is easily added to cart as well. All cart area you can easily see that which product in your cart area. Just now added this cart area. We working here now kitchen area, multiple type item need. This module you can adjust lot of product. It is not only kitchen product. You can your idea implement this module. This is a very cool and powerful module. If you need a special any customization this plugin, feel free inform me. I will customize for you. Hopefully see you soon. Have a good day. Ta-da.